Hello, friends. Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valrine, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. I will attempt to help you to make it home in this video by showing you how to make a pair of pillowcases for a double size pillow. And the pillowcase will have a pocket. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to make a standard pillowcase without a pocket. Now, the one with the pocket does take a little more fabric. However, it does keep your pillow in more snugly than the one that's opened at the end, right? However, I was working with remnant fabrics that I had from a project, and so I did not want to do any cutoffs, so I made a standard open end pillowcase or a pair of pillowcase. In this video, I have ample fabric to do the pocket because this fabric I picked up at the thrift store. I picked it up not because I had a plan for it or I needed it, but because I like the movement in the fabric and I like the colors in the fabric. So now I'm going to get some pillowcases from it. The first thing we want to start with are the measurements, because the measurements dictate the size we cut our pillowcase, right? So the standard size for a double pillowcase is 20 inches by 26 inches. Now, because I have ample fabric here, I will be just cutting one panel in order to make each pillowcase. So my panel will be front and back. Now that will be 26 inches and 26 inches because this is the length, this is the width. However, we will need to add increments for the double hem at each end of the pillowcase, and we'll do a 2-inch double hem. Because it's a 2-inch double hem, we have to multiply that 2 by 2, so that's 4 inches at the top and 4 inches at the bottom. Then we have to consider the pocket or the overlap. Let's make it 4 inches. You could make it 6 if you want to. It goes deeper. I'll just do 4 inches. So this is our pocket. That's 4 inches. Now the length I am going to cut the panel will be all these numbers added together. So let's see if we can do some addition. So that's 26 and 4, that's 30. And that's 30 and 26, that's 56. That's 56 and 4, that's 60. And that's 60 and 4, that's 64 inches. The length of the panel I'll be cutting will be 64 inches. But how about the width? The width of the pillowcase, finished width, is 20 inches. So let's add an inch on the one side and another inch on the other side. So we'll add 2 inches to the 20 inches. That's the width, that's the length, equals 22 inches. So our cut length will be 64 inches and the cut width will be CW and CL. Our cut width will be 20 inches plus 2 inches for the seam allowance, that's 22 inches. I have the panel all laid out on the table here. We are doing 64 inches long, and this is doubled. So we'll just have to go half of 64 inches. So that's 32 inches. So from here to here, 32 inches. And our width will be 22 inches. And that includes the seam allowance. So I'll mark off 22 inches here. Then I'll measure another 22 inches across here. I'll go ahead and I'll use my ruler and I will connect my marks. I'm gonna put a couple pins at the top here so it does not, the fabric does not shift. And I will cut the one panel. You are not using one long strip of fabric and you have to join two pieces of fabrics. All you need to do is add another inch or so for the extra seam that you would have to stitch. Now we are ready to start doing some stitching. Undo the pins. Open the fabric. And the first stitch we're going to do is the 2-inch double hem. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to turn the fabric 4 inches in. Now it is my suggestion that when you are stitching, you use your iron regularly because it's easier when you iron your project, like you're doing a hem right now, and you iron the fabric, it makes it easier. Now I'll then go ahead and I'll fold the fabric back to the line I just created, and then I'll flip again, and that is my 2-inch double hem. There we go. And I am going to go ahead and iron or press. I'll just stick 2 pins in. Now I'll do the same on the other end. I'll fold 4 inches in. I'll press. I'll open, and then I'll fold back to the line that I just made. And then I'll fold over and I'll press again. stick in a couple pins. And I'll do the same thing for the other panel. So the next step is to flat stitch the hems. Let's turn this down, right sides up. Now our pocket or overlap is 4 inches. So that is what we want to get right now. 4 inches for the overlap. That's it. And we're going to take the other end of the panel and we're going to bring it all the way up to the end here. However, I want the pocket to be on the inside when I'm done stitching the pillow. And as I like to say, whatever you put at the bottom when you're done stitching, it's going to end up on the top. And whatever you put on the top is going to end up on the bottom. So let's just put this back and let's open this, put this down, and then put the overlap on top. This way, when I'm done stitching, the overlap or the pocket will be on the inside. If it's not on the inside, it's not a pocket. And so it has to be on the inside. Okay, before I pick the sewing machine up, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so I'm just going to do some zigzag stitch. Nice. Okay, and turn the pillowcase inside out, outside in. And let's flip the other one. Now, I do not have a pillow, sleeping pillow. I have an accent pillow here that's pretty close to the size of a double pillow. So I am going to go ahead and stick it into the case so you guys can see how it works. Eh? Now, oh, that's a mosquito. Generally, when I'm putting on pillow covers, I fold the pillow like this and then I stick it into the pillowcase. However, there's another way that it can be done, and that was my first video that I did on my YouTube channel, where the pillow case or cover is inside out. You grab the ends of the pillow and you flip the cover onto the pillow, and then you just pull it on just like so. Now this will give you an idea of how the pocket works on the pillow. Now here is the pocket on the inside. Remember, I said no, this is not a double pillow. This is just an accent pillow that I have in the shop that I am using to demonstrate. But yeah, this is the pocket here that keeps the pillow in, and then the other side of the pillowcase folds over the end here so that the pillow stays in place. Well, we have come to the end of the video lesson. I truly hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. I hope it will be useful to you in helping you to make it home. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for those thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscription button right now, and remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of video like this and many more videos that will help you to make it home. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.